my channel. Today's look is on this very alien-esque, out of the box ethereal type of eyeshadow look. It is blue and green and it has glitter liner and crazy gold and white lipstick. It's just like a whole bunch of fun here. Today is day 29 for the 100 Days of Makeup Challenge and I wanted to add some color in for this look today, and I love the way it turned out. I think these colors look so awesome. We used a lot of new techniques, and we got this really sweet glitter liner going on. I know it's become a trend on my channel. I just did a pink glitter liner, but I am in love with glitter and I don't ever want to stop using it, so don't tell me what to do. You're not my real dad. And I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and join the fam. We are a lot of fun on these parts, so definitely if you want to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Now that you're all zoomed in, let's get started. So we're going to start with two BH Cosmetics palettes we're going to be using today, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the Weekend Festival palette. Not that you can see me hold those up because you're zoomed in. Let me try again. The Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the Weekend Festival palette. So mostly we're going to be really dipping into this Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it has all those lovely neons. That's exactly what I want. So we're going to start by priming our eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Next I'm going to go in with the little NYX brush, and I'm going to just start dipping into this light blue shade. And we want this concentrated actually above the crease. So it's pretty cool when you dip in and your brush is actually dirty. This is definitely going to be more of an editorial style look. I'm guessing you're not really going to go to the grocery store just like rocking this kind of eyeshadow, but I'm really trying to play with colors so you guys don't just have the exact same looks for 100 Days of Makeup. So. Just taking that exact same green shade and just putting it underneath my inner corner. Going back with my blue. Being very intentional with making sure that this is in a wing shape because we're going to be pulling that green glitter liner in that wing shape right there on the edge. So now I'm going to pull into this Festival palette. I'm going in with the color Trixie. I'm not going to cut it out with concealer. I want it to be a little bit softer than that. I don't want a defined cut, but I do want this shimmer to go all the way across the lid. Now we're going to do the same thing on this other lid. Use these edges on this brush to your advantage. You don't need to do a cut crease with concealer to have a nice diffused line there between each of the colors. Bring that right up into your crease. Because the trick is then you do want to kind of carve out this little space in between the green and the blue. So pretty. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. We have this kind of diffused watercolory type look, which I'm loving. But now we're gonna pull out Le Glitter. I'm so excited because I'm pulling out real glitter for the first time this year in 100 Days of Makeup. It is actual loose glitter with the NYX glitter glue. This particular green glitter has a special place in my heart because probably this spring actually, I opened up my special effects kit where I keep all my glitter, and I was just going through a bunch of stuff and kind of picking things out to prep for 100 Days of Makeup, and I discovered that this particular green bottle had opened and exploded all over literally everything in my makeup bag, which was pretty cool. So cleaning that was a hot mess, and I'm pretty sure there's still green glitter on my porch where I dumped everything out and cleaned everything down. So it'll probably be there approximately forever. So it has a special place in my heart. So to start, we're gonna kind of block out this wing with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I don't want to just go in with the glitter. I kind of want to have a little bit of a base. This is where you'll remember we blocked out the wing earlier with that blue. It does not need to be perfect because we are going to go over it with that glitter, but I would suggest at least being happy with the overall shape so that when you're packing the glitter on it, it sticks to the shape that you're going for. Okay, so now that I have the white liner, this actually looks cool too, but it's gonna look even cooler with the glitter. Alright, so I have my NYX glitter glue. I've never actually used this, so I'm guessing I just put a little bit on my brush here. I'm guessing I just put it over top of where I want glitter to stick. I'm assuming that's how this works. I want it to stick all over this wing. I'm gonna go into my green glitter here. When I open it, it's gonna go everywhere. I have flashbacks, war flashbacks. I'm just gonna stick the glitter in to my brush and top it off. Oh, that looks nice. Kind of hard to see on camera right now. Just give me a sec. So I feel like the primer is kind of drying before I can get the glue on it, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on my brush and just go in smaller sections so that it doesn't dry. Also, in case you were concerned, I am getting glitter everywhere. So if you don't like glitter, not a fan of glitter, I would not suggest this. Okay, so it still dried too quickly on that wing there, so I need to work in even smaller sections. I feel like the glitter isn't going on as opaque as I want it to be. I wish it was more green. Good. Definitely kind of wish I did a black base now instead of a white base. It is really pretty. I feel like I want it greener, if that makes sense. I feel like it's like white tinged with green instead of looks really pretty in the light though. All right, plan B. We're going in kind of a different direction. So I just covered that glitter that I just put down with my Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Overdrive, and I kind of like the darkness that that has, so I'm gonna put more green glitter on top of it. So I'm just gonna kind of cover up the white base over here. I may still have to go over this a little bit, over top of the glitter when I put it down, but I like the way that the darkness looks a little bit better. Now I'm gonna put more glitter over top of it. Now I'm just kind of using the primer directly on the brush and dipping it into the glitter because I don't want the base to be white again with this glitter glue because it doesn't look like it dries clear. I'm just having to kind of wipe off my brush every time I go in so that it doesn't get clumpy. I'm literally getting glitter all over my couch. I'm doing well. Just see how much better that green glitter shows up on a darker base. Will I regret using this much glitter? Absolutely. Should you still attempt to do this? Absolutely. Kind of makes me feel like a mermaid. Yes, that's what I wanted. Let's move on. I'm gonna hop off and finish the glitter on this other eye really quick, and then I'll come back and finish this. Okay, now that we have our green glitter down, I'm gonna go in with my Pixi by Petra highlight duo in Subtle Sunrise. So much glitter all over my face. Feeling pretty fabulous, not gonna lie. Now it is time for lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Eyeler and Ann Lee So Lush Faux Mink lashes. But first I'm going to curl my lashes and do my Tarte's Camera Lashes mascara. It's actually Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. And before I forget, I'm going to, where's my brush? I'm going to take the same highlighter we used on our face and just pop a little bit of that on the inner corner of my eye. It's not shimmery or glowy enough here. I love this because I feel like it's like a reverse of what you actually do. Like the shading is above the crease and I don't know, I just feel like it's fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my lashes and pop these suckers on. They're going to be impossible to clean after this because they're gonna be covered in glitter. Literally covered in glitter. Why did I do this? Okay, so I'm gonna pop these lashes on and be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just finished up my hair really quick before popping back on to do lips. So we are going to be using my Dose of Colors lip gloss in Goals with a Z. It's for cool goals, not a regular goal. And it's just this really beautiful, it's like opaque-y white lip gloss, but it's sheer, but it has gold shimmer. That was a terrible, terrible description. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna put on this lip gloss. It's literally so beautiful. I love just a little bit of gold shimmer that gives my lips. I kind of feel like Xena, the girl from the 21st century, so. It's a little alien-esque and I don't hate it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new and cool today. I know this is a little bit of a less wearable and a more out-of-the-box kind of look, but I get tired of doing the same neutral looks every time, so I wanted to just switch it up for 100 Days of Makeup and add some color in there. So I hope that you enjoyed watching it, and I definitely hope you recreate it. So be sure to tag me at Blonde and Ambitious Blog on Instagram if you do decide to recreate that. And if you haven't been following along with my 100 Days of Makeup Challenge, you need to be doing that too. What are you waiting for? You can find every new uploads every single day for the next 100 days, and it started July 23rd and it will end on Halloween. You can find those uploads on my Facebook page and my Instagram story. Both of those are at Blonde and Ambitious Blog, so be sure to check them out and follow along if you want to see the new looks every day. This is day 29. I can't even believe that we're already like almost to day 30, which is crazy. We've just passed our quarter of the way through 100 Days of Makeup, and that is wild. This year has been so much fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and I will definitely be sure to get back to you guys. Have an awesome rest of your week and weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!